We're here.
Okay, we're here. We're gonna check in and find our room.
We'll give you a room tour and more.
Look, somebody's getting Domino's.
Domino's pizza delivered.
I don't even know if they have one.
Yeah, they may not. We can at least exit. Get out my car. We'll be back for a bit. We're here. Thank you. Okay, so we're on our way to our room. It's on the 3rd floor. This is a beautiful Hilton. There's a restaurant with some, we got a coupon for a couple glasses of wine. Hand sanitizing station. Who's that? Thank you. Always surprises me when there are pictures that are on the elevator door itself. I'll say, who is that masked cat? It's me! We're on the 3rd floor. We're actually going to room 316. Okay. So, here we go. So it's very spacious here. The hotel is not even close to being occupied. It seems very, very quiet. We're gonna have this whole resort to ourselves, right? I can hardly wait to see the room view. We were upgraded. Let's see what we get. Oh, Heidi, she's lugging everything around. I try to insist on bell windows. We are on the 3rd floor, right? Room 316, here's 17 and 18. I understand that we get a suite. Which is sweet! Here we are.
Okay, so let's take you on a room tour. We have a 1-bedroom suite here at the Hilton, Santa Barbara. And here's our bathroom. I'll go through that. We have this beautiful living room with a fireplace and a television. And of course, there are sliding glass doors out to the balcony, which faces the ocean. We have a really nice sideboard over here. And then look, a nice dining table. Look at how nice that is. A little wet bar area. There's a little table and chairs out here on the patio, which I'll do separately. I'll keep this out there so we can see everything. A beautiful fireplace with the television. And then here's the bedroom. We'll walk this way into the bedroom. Nice king-size bed. It's beautiful. It's very Hilton-ish. We have a desk over here and a television. Let's see what the bathroom looks like. Here's a closet. So here is the master bathroom. Jetted tub, very nice. Big walk-in shower with a rain head. Very nice shower.
Coconut party tonight!
Yes, party for 2. There's 2 sinks. And then this is the actual restroom here with its own sink. You did? Oh my goodness, let's go check it out. Fred lit the fireplace. Oh honey, it's beautiful.
Some wine,
Yes.
hors d'oeuvres.
Look how beautiful that is. All right, well, let's take everybody outside.
Let's do it. I'm gonna bring the carpet.
Okay. I'm gonna go out through the bedroom since that has the curtains open. And we'll go outside and check out this beautiful view. Oh, it's locked. We gotta unlock it here first. Okay. Sorry, everybody, while I unlock the sliding glass door. And the screen door. Let's open that. And see, we have a little table with chairs and a chase here. We have another table on the other side of our suite. And then there's a little courtyard. There's a restaurant down there. But way off in the distance, you can see the Pacific Ocean. And we can hear the Pacific Ocean. So, looking close to that. There's Fred. Say hello. You can see the ocean.
I can already feel me being recharged.
And you can hear it. I'm going to try to walk this way. See if we can get a closer view.
It's not a private balcony.
It is not a private balcony. There are other rooms next to us, but we should be able to go out here and show you the view from. All right, babe. There's the beach right there across the street, and the ocean. Beautiful. And then we have this beautiful little park across the street. So we're playing soccer and very nice. So this gorgeous view, the sound of the ocean, is what makes this resort beautiful. But yep, it's low tide right now. There's not very many caves here. Beautiful, beautiful day in Santa Barbara. So we're so happy to have our little mini vacation here. We charge our batteries. We work very hard on our channel, both of our channels, and it's nice to have a little getaway. Let's walk all the way around this rotunda. It is a big circle. People in the water, out on the beach. We're hopefully going to be able to see a beautiful sunset tonight. The sun is still up. And the pier is off in the distance over here. You see all the boats. Beautiful day in Santa Barbara for sure. The view. Look how beautiful that is. And the pier is over there. The grounds here are absolutely stunning. see if we can find Fred over here. There's Fred. Look at him way across the rotunda waving at us. Say hi, Fred. There he is. Yes, beautiful Santa Barbara. And we'll take a walk back to our room. Meow for now.
There we are. Hi.
Hello.
So we're just gonna rest and relax. And what are we doing tomorrow, love?
It's an adventure. I don't know.
Okay. Well, you know I'm gonna get up early. Always do. But then we'll go out to the beach and watch the sunrise.
There we go.
And then maybe we'll find a good restaurant to go to tomorrow night. What do you think?
Sounds good.
Meow for now, everybody. Thanks for watching, and there's more to come. We've got day 2 coming up. Night.
Good night.